All right, so we have a question here to approximate 120.97865 to 2 decimal place. So we're going to be using the f string. So the first thing is to declare a variable and you give it a value. So we are using str and the value is going to be 120.97865. So now we want to use the f string. So you use the normal syntax, which is print. You open up your bracket, you put the f, you open up your quotation marks, and inside the quotation marks, you're going to put the curly braces. So now inside these curly braces is where you're going to be doing your formatting. So you're going to write the name of the variable, which is str, and then we're going to introduce this format specifier. So we're going to be using a colon to introduce the format specifier, and we put our dot and we put to how many decimal place that we want to approximate this to. And the approximation, basically decimal numbers, they are called floating points. So we're just going to put F there for floating point. I think that is it. So now we can run and see what we have. So you can see the answer is 120.98. It has been approximated to 2 decimal place. So let's say you want to approximate to the nearest whole number. You can put 0 there, meaning the floating point should be 0. So when you run this, you're going to get 121. That's to the nearest whole number. So let's say you want to approximate to, let's say, 3 decimal place. It's still the same thing. You put a 3 there. And when you run, you're going to get 120.979. So that is that. And if you want to approximate to 1 decimal place, you put 1 there. And when you run, you're going to get 121.0. So that's basically how you can approximate